Why everybody, this is how you open up Control Panel and Computer Management. So you go down to the search bar, and this is on the Windows 10 computer. So you search up Control Panel. And then it pops up right here. You click into it. As well, it will list all the folders that's in there. So you say you have the usual things you want. And here's how to open Computer Management. So you click onto it. And when it pops up right here, everything what you need to know. So, thank you for watching. Bye. Oh.